Gabor's luxury designer series' newest edition is called So Uplifting. I'm unboxing this style in color SS Biscuit in size average. The inside cap construction has open wefts with resilient stretch material for a custom fit, velvet lined ear tabs and nape for added comfort with ultra thin adjusters at the nape for a personalized fit. It has a monofilament part and a temple to temple sheer lace front. SS Biscuit is a light ash blonde blended with cool platinum blonde and a dark rooted base. I'm going to show you how easy it is to throw in the style and go. Make sure you adjust the hair by using a comb to realign your part and adjust it to your liking. This hairline is flawless. I love this pixie style and how easy it is to tuck behind my ears. Next, I'll show you a 360 view of this style. This wig has a razor cut crop with shattered layers throughout and enough texture and length to amp it up. Can you see yourself wearing this? I definitely can. This is So Uplifting.